Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how concatenate function work in Excel. Okay, so here we have some example: first name, last name. Concatenate function used for the joint some tags or numbers from from two different cell or rows. Okay, so you can combine two cell tags or numbers by using concatenate function in Excel. So there is a many ways you can use these functions, so I will show you. So before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first sample example I will show you. Hit the equal sign, and it is indication to Excel that I'm going to use function now, formula. So now use concatenate. Okay, so some, if you have updated Excel, that you may have only concat only. So in my Excel I have full word that concatenate. Just hit the tab button, it will be come up and one bracket will be open. Now you have to select first name, or now uh, give the comma to differentiate the both name. Now you have to select second name and just close bracket. But if you see now, the both name has been joined but there is a no space. So how you can make space? So just click F2, and now you have to, there is a sign up for the space in Excel. You have to give 2 comma, uh, between that you have to give one space. Now hit the comma. So you can see this double comma indication to Excel that we need space between two name or text or number. You hit the enter, you can see the space has been appear. Now you can copy, you can apply this formula to rest of your data. How you can apply this? You just hold this, you have to hold this arrow by holding left button of your mouse and just scroll down, or you can select all data or just hit Ctrl and D, so it will be applied to all. There is a one option you can use. There is a simple formula, you can use it, but if you don't want to use it, you just use like sign the equal sign, enter the equal sign, then select your first column or cell, then hit the end. Now select second. Now hit the, you can see same has been appeared, there is a no space. How you can make space? Just enter the space sign for Excel. Okay, now enter, and this is your first name and you need space, and this is your last name. So just hit the button, you can see that is done. I hope you like this video. Thank you.